Hi, I'm Pastor Sarah, aka Disorganized.Religion on TikTok, where I have over 140,000 followers. And I'm here today to share some of my best tips for creating viral content on the platform. Okay, I have a question. Go for it, Karen. Your videos have to take a ton of time, right? Like with all the costumes and the editing and all of that, how much time do you spend on every video? I actually spend the most time writing. Writing? Yeah, there are two things to balance when it comes to content creation. Great storytelling on the one hand, which includes the arc of your video, visuals, music, all of that. And on the other hand, time. Unlike YouTube, where 2-hour videos can do wonders for an account, on TikTok, shorter videos tend to do better. 7 seconds is actually the magic number for viral content. If you watch my account, a lot of my videos are up to a minute long, and videos under 15 seconds tend to do better. Doesn't TikTok track how long everybody watches each video? Yes, and if people watch your video all the way to the end, that figures into the algorithm and tells TikTok whether they should send your video to more people or not. I thought comments and shares were more important. Right, so good storytelling is really valuable. Building suspense, drawing people in, creating a conversation, all of that helps. But time also matters. So where does the writing come in? Since good storytelling and time both matter, I suggest using a script. Editing it down as much as you can, using economy of language, so that you have both the short time and the impact you want. Don't you also cheat and speed up how fast you're talking? I do. We'll talk about that in another video where I talk about editing tips. Good luck. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more tips.